Did you know that as a beginner, you can get your YouTube videos to rank without people searching for your name? Yes, that's right. You can get your YouTube videos to be recommended automatically without doing any extra work or no extra effort. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can hack the YouTube's algorithm so that your videos can get recommended when people are searching for the biggest names in your niche. Hi, my name is Miriam and welcome to Miriam's YouTube Playbook, where I share tips that help you grow your channel as I also grow mine. If this video interests you, please subscribe to the channel, comment, like and share. When you upload a video, YouTube uses tags, keywords and metadata to figure out what your content is all about. So by adding successful YouTuber names in your niche to all of your videos, it will help your videos rank and get recommended when people search for those big names. So instead of doing that every time you want to post a video, every time you want to upload a video, you can add those names to your default upload settings in your dashboard, so you don't have to always come back to add those names. And this will make it easier for YouTube to be able to recommend your videos to all those people, all their audience, the biggest YouTuber names, all of their audience. When they search for their names, they will also recommend your videos to them, and by that you're getting more views, and you know what that means. Let me walk you through the process of setting up all of these default tags and keywords so you can start getting recommended by YouTube right away. First off, you need to come to your browser and type in YouTube dashboard or studio.youtube.com. So once you are there, you click on it and it will bring you straight into your dashboard. On the left sidebar, you will find the settings icon. So when you click on that, it will take you to the settings. So you click on channels. This is where you will find all the keywords, and I already have keywords that are relevant to my niche, even the names of some successful YouTubers. That is to show you that I'm applying everything that I'm teaching on my channel. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to add another one so you can see how it is done. So here I'm going to type in think media. Then you click comma so that it can form a tag. So the next one I'm going to put in is Robert Benjamin. So once we are done with this, we'll go to the next one, which is the upload default. So this is where you'll find your tags. So same thing we did with the keywords we are going to do here. I have some here, but I'm still going to add one more so you can see how it is done. So type in creative care and comma as well. So once I'm done with that, I'll just click on save so that all these settings, all these things I've typed can be saved in my dashboard. So once I do that, I click save. Once I click save, it will bring me back into the dashboard. Now that the settings is done, choosing the right name is key. Make sure they are names that are relevant to your content, to your niche. For instance, if you're focusing on YouTube growth, you should be thinking of adding names like Think Media, vidIQ, Robert Benjamin, and the rest of them. Make sure that their names are relevant to what you're thinking so that when people are searching for those names, your videos can come up and they get watched. Another thing you need to do is to monitor your analytics. After you have uploaded your videos and they've started getting watched, make sure that you go back to your analytics and check if the creators' names that you've added are coming out in the results, in the search results of your videos. If they are not coming out, you can remove them and add another set, and then you test and monitor till you start getting results. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please engage in the comment section. I would love to hear your feedbacks. Please, let's grow together. Let's engage. You know I love you guys and I know you love me too. Bye.